This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook barbacoa. First, select the right cut of meat for an amazing result. Beef chuck roast is a fantastic option, offering great flavor and tenderness when cooked slowly. For an even more authentic experience, consider beef cheeks. They deliver a truly rich taste and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Always aim for a cut with good marbling, as this fat renders down to keep your barbacoa moist and delicious throughout the long cooking process. Next, let's prepare the flavorful marinade that gives barbacoa its distinctive taste. You will need dried ancho and guajillo chilies, about 4 of each, along with 6 cloves of fresh garlic and 1 tablespoon of dried Mexican oregano. Lightly toast the dried chilies in a dry pan for about 30 seconds per side, then soak them in hot water for 20 minutes until softened. Blend these ingredients with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a 1/2 cup of beef broth to create a rich, smooth paste. Now it's time for the magic of slow cooking. Generously coat your selected meat with the prepared marinade and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours, or preferably overnight. Place the marinated meat in a slow cooker with 1 cup of beef broth, or in a Dutch oven with a tight-fitting lid. Cook on low for 8 to 10 hours in a slow cooker, or in an oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 hours, until fork tender. This long, gentle cooking method ensures maximum tenderness. Once your barbacoa is incredibly tender, it is ready for the next step. You will know it is perfectly cooked when it practically falls apart with just the touch of a fork. Carefully remove the large pieces of meat from the cooking liquid, reserving all those rich, flavorful juices. Using 2 forks, shred the meat into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Then, return all the shredded barbacoa back into the warm, savory juices to keep it moist, and infuse it with even more delicious flavor before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.